In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to buy TikTok coins with Visa gift card. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your TikTok account and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you get to this page right here. Now what you're going to do on this page is to click on settings and privacy. And now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do in here is to click on balance. So click on balance. Just going to load here for us, so just a second. And perfect, as you can see, we should now be here. Now we're going to click on get coins, as you can see, so click on get coins. You should now be taken to this page where you can actually purchase coins, as you can see. So I'm just going to take a random one just to demonstrate in here. So I'm going to click on a random one in here, just going to load here for me. And as you can see, I get to this page right here. Now to be able to actually pay with my Visa gift card, what I'm going to do is to close this app right here, or close my TikTok app real quick, go into my settings app, go into wallet and Apple Pay. As you can see, click on add card, and then I need to scan my Visa gift card, because then I will be able to add my Visa gift card as a primary payment method on my mobile basically. And you can do the same thing but if you have an Android basically, and then go back and then purchase TikTok coins using your Visa gift card. So that is basically exactly how to do this.